Welcome to the PFO channel. I'm Jim. One of the first things I noticed about that Kubota RTV X900 that we bought used was when I was backing it off the trailer, it doesn't have any rear view mirrors on it. I brought it around and parked it in the workshop, but then the first time I backed it out of the workshop, I realized my neck's not as flexible as it used to be, and you have to pretty much lean all the way out of the thing to see behind you. So what I did is I got on Amazon and I shopped for some rear view mirrors for a UTV. Today I'm going to pop them open, have a look, and put them on. This is not a paid promotion. Nobody's sponsoring this video. I bought these mirrors with my own money from Amazon. I am an Amazon associate though, so if I like these things, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below this video. If you also have a side-by-side with no mirrors on it, well, you can use that link for your convenience. As an Amazon associate, I may earn a commission, but there's no added cost to you. So let's open these up and see what we got. This one, let's do this first. All right, well, this is a nice wide and somewhat tall mirror for the center bar over the windshield. There is no windshield, but the center bar over the where there would be a windshield. And it looks like it's made to clamp on. Yeah, this is the rubber to accommodate smaller diameter tubings. And this is the screw to attach this to that, and the wrench to aid in that attachment, and that's got the protective film on it. So that looks like that's going to be quite easy to put that on. And this is a pair of side mirrors. Some instructions, some tools. Now these mirrors here are ones that were in one of the promotional videos that was playing as when I searched for UTV mirrors on Amazon. I started scrolling down, this ad kept coming up for these, and it caught my eye because these have a feature that looks pretty handy, and that is if you bump something, either way, if you bump it, it goes back. So that's kind of cool. And boy, these are going to be really easy to put on as well. All right, now I wonder if these are right and left. So it looks like they want wide on the bottom. Okay, I got to take this cover off. And loosen the number 3 strap as much as it'll go. Okay, that's as loose as it'll go. And then I got to push this out here, this pin. Okay, now I wrap the steel around like that. And put the pin back in. There we go. Now we adjust this to the right angle. Looks like right there. And then we tighten this up. That's kind of weird. This nut is in the way of that nut. And then put the cover back on. All right, that was pretty easy. All right, let's get the second one ready. Got to pull the cover off. Good tool to have for this so you don't mar up your plastic. And back this off to the maximum extent. You don't want that to come out of there. All right. And then we push that pin out. Now I like the height that one is over there, so I'm going to measure it and do the same here. Now this is 11 inches up from plastic, so I want this 11 inches up as well, and I'm going to mark it with some painter's tape. 11 inches is right there. So that has to go into there, like that. And the pin goes back into it. Get to my 11 inches, about to there. Tighten that up a bit, part way. Still movable. Now I got to get in there and check the angle. This is good. No, that's good right there. Okay, my angle's good. And I can lock this down as well. That's tight. That's tight. And the cover goes back on. These hooks go in the front part first. Okay, there's my side mirrors. Now let's do the center one. Okay, this one
Just need to put this on there. Now this has got to come all the way off, obviously, because otherwise it's not going to fit through there. Now, I don't know. There really doesn't seem to be room for rubber under that. Okay, let me look at the pictures again. I don't think that goes in there. I think that's for smaller diameters. Yeah, I think that rubber piece is only for smaller roll cages. Okay, that's nice and tight. Now I gotta peel that off. There we go. That is really good. Okay, got my rear view mirror there. Oops, this one's still gotta get the plastic off of that one now. I'm gonna put those wrenches all in the glove box in case one of these mirrors starts coming loose while I'm out in the boonies. Oh, look at they've got little loops on the corners, like so I could like hang an air freshener. I'm kidding, that was a joke. Well, that was a badly needed and very easy upgrade. Thanks a lot for watching. PFO channel out.